Welcome to the future of online shopping in the Philippines. Introducing PhilippinesBrands.com, your one-stop destination for unbeatable prices, fast shipping, and a wide range of products, including groceries and household items. At PhilippinesBrands.com, we understand the needs of consumers. That's why we've curated a diverse selection of products to cater to your every need, from pantry essentials to household must-haves. With our lightning-fast shipping, you can have your items delivered straight to your doorstep in no time. Say goodbye to long queues and traffic jams. Shopping has never been this convenient. But what sets PhilippinesBrands.com apart from the rest? It's our commitment to offering unbeatable prices without compromising on quality. We work directly with trusted brands and suppliers to bring you the best deals on the market. Whether you're stocking up on pantry staples, refreshing your skincare routine, or upgrading your home essentials, PhilippinesBrands.com has got you covered. Plus, with our exclusive discounts and promotions, you'll save even more on your favorite products. So what are you waiting for? Experience the future of online shopping today with PhilippinesBrands.com. Shop smarter, save more, and enjoy the convenience of fast shipping right to your doorstep. Visit our website now and join the thousands of satisfied customers who have made us their go-to destination for all their shopping needs. Philippines Brands.com, where unbeatable prices meet unbeatable convenience. Start shopping now at PhilippinesBrands.com and revolutionize the way you shop online in the Philippines.